Hello everyone, and welcome to the today video on the topic sanity testing. In this video, we will explore what is sanity testing, in what situations or scenarios we will perform sanity testing. What are the features of sanity testing? What are the pros and cons of sanity testing? To know all these things, let's step into the video. Friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Hello friends, in this video the first and foremost thing we are focusing on is what is sanity testing. In this testing, the test team mainly focus on the critical functionalities or important functionalities or the features which are frequently used by the client or end users to check whether all these features are available in that build, and they also validate whether that features are working fine as per expectations. Friends, the next thing we have to focus on is when to perform this sanity testing. We have to perform this sanity testing whenever new software build the test team received from the development team. Before performing this sanity testing, the test team should perform the smoke test, and the results of smoke test should be positive. And also, before performing a full regression testing, this sanity testing is performed. Actually, test team performs smoke testing and sanity testing and system testing. In system testing, when the test team raises issues, developers team work on it and give a new set of build. So before performing that regression testing on the new build, they used to perform this smoke and sanity testing. And also, whenever there is an immediate need of production deployment, whenever the build had to be delivered to the client, one time test team will perform sanity testing. These are the scenarios where sanity testing is performed. Friends, let us see the features of sanity testing. The first thing we can say in this list is it is a subset of regression testing, because before performing regression testing, sanity testing is performed. And also, whenever the new build came, sanity testing is performed. So, it is a repetitive testing whenever the new build came. So, it can consider to be the subset of regression testing. And sanity testing can be scripted. That means we are bringing the capability to the system to perform this sanity testing through automation. And also, this sanity testing should be documented. Whatever the test cases we are following and the test results should be maintained in the document for further references. This sanity testing follow narrow and deep strategy, because we are focusing on only the critical functionalities or important functionalities, and we are testing that in depth. So it is considered to be the narrow and deep strategy, and sanity testing is performed by the testers. Friends, let us see the advantages of sanity testing. The first and foremost one is defects in the core functionalities can be found out with this testing, and these defects or issues can be found in less amount of time, saving time of execution of regression testing, because whenever sanity testing is failed, regression testing is not performed as critical functionalities is getting failed. As we are doing the testing in a short span of time, it's considered to be cost effective, and can be said as not so expensive. having less time to complete the test, we can get a quick feedback, and also early detection of issues is possible, and that defects are dealing with the critical functionalities. All these things increase the confidence for the company on this build. Friends, let us see the disadvantages of sanity testing. Every coin will have head and tail, so every concept will have some disadvantages. The main disadvantages of sanity testing is not all the test cases are implemented or executed in this testing. We are testing for only few functionalities, so it is considered to be the limited scope, and also it is said to be the incomplete testing. And also to perform this sanity testing, there is a lot of dependencies on expertise. The testers who had good amount of experiences, and especially on this project or a project who had worked relevant to this project, is needed to perform this sanity testing. Friends, we had seen what is sanity testing. In the conclusion slide, let us see the important points of this sanity testing. Sanity testing deals with important functionalities of the test application, and this testing can be completed in less span of time, and in this less span of time we'll find the issues related to the critical functionalities. Friends, please click on subscribe button to get notification on the latest video. I request you to please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your lot of support to our channel. I hope it will continue forever.